Magandang umaga po. So, ang atong sa ito, multiplying 4 so 50% yung 4 than ito is multiply by 3 per 1. Multiply per 3 per 1. So, first class, multiply numerator 4 and 3. So, if you multiply 4 times 3 equals 12. And then multiply the denominator 3 times 1 equals 3. And then 12 over 3. So we're going to divide 12 divided 3 equals 4. So the final answer is 12 divided by 3 or 12 over 3 or equals to 4. So sana maintindihan po ninyo. Okay? So I will give you one given po. Then answer at home. So try it. Okay. Example. Okay. So the given is 6 over 2 times 2, 1. So these are the example of multiplying fraction by improper fraction. I-try po ninyo natin. Sana naintindihan yung aking example. So, please answer at 6 over 2 times 2, 1. Yun lang po at maraming salamat. Bye.